toast.
What would you rather have if you were to get one, bones or brawler?
It's like 2.0.
If I didn't get bones at all, I would get rid of it, even if it had brawler.
Dang.
Yeah.
Sounds like an acro. Oh, there's a baby acro down there.
Yeah.
There's a baby down there.
I'm guessing that's a cheetah. That's the stripe.
Those are the servals. Caracals.
You want me to just keep diving him like you?
You could, yeah.
Those are the size of mouse, though.
53 to his tail.
That was a pretty dangerous dive that you did.
No.
Me?
Yeah.
I can't go much faster
I
than
know,
that.
but you dove like right through his head. I meant like fake him out, like don't like.
No, I thought I was going through his tail. Not for me. I do like 112 of 5 to your body.
Those are caracals.
It's like sounds like some acros fighting in the desert.
Oh my god.
Get him, Ty. You got this, Ty, I believe. Get the jump on him.
I wonder how low he is.
No. No.
I did pretty good for not having much, like, turn on my baby.
Just jump down there and wait for you.
Picking on babies, Ty. Gosh.
I'm a baby myself.
If anything, Ty is more of a baby.
Yes!
Get shafted,
God.
bro.
Oh, you can carry that too.